Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi! My name is Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 Gifts. If you love all things 31 and what it stands for, consider yourself a bag babe. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big like, especially if you love mystery bundles, because in this video, we're going to do a mystery bundle unboxing. If you want to know about all the details in the channel, the giveaways and all that fun stuff, wait till the very end of the unboxing and I'll give you the details. So without further ado, let's do this. Now, a mystery bundle unboxing would not complete with one of our bag babe favorites, the one, the only, my brother, bag babe bro, Ryan!
Hey guys, how are you? How are you? Missed you.
If you are new here, my brother is a big 31 fanatic and just a lover and supporter of his sister. And he is awesome at these mystery bundles because one, it's hilarious. Two, because he doesn't know anything about these products. And so he's gonna help me unbox them. We have two, all right? What number do you have, Ryan?
I have number 217.
I have number 217. Now, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to 31, the way to get to access these mystery bundles is by hosting a party or becoming an insider. And this is one of those exclusive items that only you party people get. This is a $28 value here in the US, but the value inside is $75 plus. One thing about these mystery bundles, it's usually about 2 to 3 items and it totally matches. And how did I get 2? Well, ladies, when your party reaches a certain level of 500 or more, you get access to 2 of the exclusive items, and so I got 2. And if you watch this playlist, you see that if you get 2 in the same party, you get the same thing. So we are here in a little bit of a competition to see who can guess can guess what the items are in here. Now I really have a level a level up because I am a consultant. So
Cheater.
no, so I'm gonna let my brother kind of dictate this and let him guess and all that stuff. All right. To make this a little fun, we're gonna put our blindfolds on, and I'm gonna have a mystery hand on the side, which is my daughter.
It's a virtual hand.
A virtual hand.
And me.
Yes, to like help guide this. Okay.
Did you get purple?
Oh my god, I can't see.
I guess.
That's the whole point.
Okay, so I could tell you this.
Which one is gonna go first?
We both go at the same time. I can tell you this. It's soft, so definitely not a large utility tote. Okay, there's a perforated line. So Ryan, can you feel
I
it?
see, yeah.
Okay, I'm opening mine.
Same here. Guys.
Rosalie, just
Am I
stop.
even on the camera?
Right. Rosalie. Oh, okay.
Yes, he is in the camera.
Okay, I'm
So
gonna
you
pull.
go first.
I'm gonna pull it. Let's pull it out at the same time. 1, 2, 3. All right, Rosalie, no comments.
Wait, I have
Rosalie,
2 in here.
Okay, Rosalie, can you verify that there's only 2 in each bag?
Yeah, there's only 2.
Okay, that one's empty. Uncle Ryan, where's your bag?
It's right here. It's empty.
Is it empty? Is Uncle Ryan's empty?
Yes.
Okay, so
And he's waving it.
okay, so lift the 2 things items. I'm wondering if I'll like this. Okay,
What?
so I'm gonna start with the small thing. Are you gonna open the small thing, Ryan?
Yes. It's a felt on top of a felt.
No, this is like canvas. Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, I know
Ryan.
what this is.
I know what this is.
This is a wallet, okay? It's a wallet, and you can put your stuff in here. No.
Wait, you know?
I know what this is.
Look, you could open
not
it.
fair.
You could put your coins.
Wait, are you're
everything.
still blindfolded, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Am I right with the wallet?
No.
That's not fair if you know.
Okay.
Look. And this is where you put your cards, where you put your driver's license.
Wait, unless we got something different. I know I got a pouch.
Oh, maybe there is a pouch. Should we open up our eyes?
No, we can't yet. I know what this is. It is, I'm going to whisper
Smells
it.
good.
It's a decorative double zipper pouch. Was I right, Rosalie?
It's a double pouch.
Okay, got it.
Double
Wait, time out.
sided
No, time out. Is it the same item though?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay, all right,
You guys
so
got the same thing, so I was like...
Uncle Ryan says wallet, I say pouch. Let's go open the, I know what this
Technically,
is.
it has double purposes, so Uncle Ryan was kind of right.
See?
Okay. This
All
is
right.
heavy. I know what this is. Okay,
Try
this
right here.
one. Oh my god, wait, what is this? What?
Got
Oh,
it.
I know what this is. What is this?
Got it.
What is it, Ryan?
It's for your luggage. Like, I'm going to leave right now. This is like a luggage. This has 2 straps. Am I even in camera? I
Right.
think I am.
You are in camera.
Okay, I feel the 2 straps. I feel a big
Or is this a
pocket.
blanket like you could put on the park?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, see?
Okay, are you ready to hear?
Okay,
Okay.
we're ready. Let's see. Oh, let's open up the big reveal.
See? It's a blanket.
Yes,
It's
it is a blanket.
See?
fun
Or
mat.
is it for like picnics, right?
It's a folded
Yes.
fun mat.
See? Hello.
Right
Oh,
the whole time.
I am
See?
blind. I took off my blindfold.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm not even on camera.
Excuse me. Yes. Okay. So we got. I thought it was a weekender bag, honestly, but that's okay. So we got 2 things. It was the fold and fun mat in charcoal, and then the
Double pouch.
double pouch in charcoal. So that's a great unboxing. Yes. So this is a great again matching only 2 of these items. A great
Bye.
value. All right, ladies and gents. So if you want exclusive items like these in the mystery bundle, go ahead and History Hostess link is down below, and that way you can get into entries into my monthly mystery hostess, and I always announce the winner on the 26th. As always, if you shop with me this month, you get into my monthly giveaway and all that fun stuff. If you are loving everything and you want a party of one, let me know. I can hook you up within seconds. Or if you're just loving everything and you are ready for fall and you're a fall baby, maybe consider coming in on the consultant perks of joining 31. Let's chit chat. Contact me down below and I can answer all of your questions. Without further ado, if you love the vibe in this tribe, hit the subscribe button and check out these awesome playlists that I have going on for you. All right, ladies.
All right.
Bye.